Good afternoon, love bugs. Go ahead and sit up nice and tall and take in a nice deep breath. And as you exhale, close your eyes nice and slow until they are completely, comfortably closed. Just take in another deep breath and exhale nice and slow, exhaling completely. This is an amazing time to check in with yourself, to check in with any intentions you set this morning and reset them, or perhaps it's appropriate to adjust your intentions for the rest of the day. So go ahead and take a moment and reset or adjust your intentions for the rest of the day. Asking yourself, what do I need to stay on track or to get back on track? Are there any frustrations, disappointments, or stress that has been building up today that you can now release with an exhaling breath? Just deciding it's time to let them go. And taking a moment to acknowledge, what have you done well today? What contribution have you made to the day? What do you feel proud of? How you are? Something you've accomplished? Something you've made progress on? What's something that you're grateful for as you check in halfway through your day? And I want to invite you to come back to the moment, to be in the moment, every moment of the rest of your day, to come back from the future into this moment, to come back from the past into this moment, to be here in the present, in the now, taking in the moment you're in. Be present and let your energy expand to receive and give in the now. You're worth it. You're worth this present moment and the peace and the focus and the energy that comes with it, being here in the now. And now taking in another deep healing breath. And with an exhale and a big stretch, go ahead and open your eyes, knowing that you've reset your day, made any adjustments, and you're right on track to being in the moment and receiving an incredible day that you've helped create. Thank you so much for being here and taking this pause, this moment in your day with me. I'm Steph, and I am sending you endless love. Remember to like this video and to subscribe to my channel. And until next time, I'm sending you endless love and continued peace.